Good morning all. It's just gone 5 a.m. Sunday morning and we're about to head off to Hanging Rock 2025. After a 2-hour stint on the gate, we'll start looking at the cars. This event is always a big day, all run by volunteers. We strive to always improve and make it a great day for all. Let's hope today is no exception.
Welcome to another episode from the Macedon Ranges and District Motor Club.
Easy, done, lovely.
Yeah, it's very tight for space. I'm with John and Jean. John and Jean from the Northern Territory.
How you going?
And we're in Victoria. Now, I noticed you're driving a hot rod
Sure are.
with a teardrop caravan.
Yep.
Which model hot rod is it?
It's a 1929 Model A Roadster, but it's got a 32 grill, and we've just clocked up just on 300,000 kilometres in it now.
Did it ever have a supercharger on it?
No,
It hasn't.
just standard.
Okay.
Used to have a tunnel ram with twin fours originally, and then I've taken that off and I've downsized it a bit just for towing.
And what transmission have you got?
I've got a C10 auto and an 8-inch diff.
So from the Northern Territory to Victoria, in a 29 rod, how far is that?
It's just over 4,000 k's.
And how long does that take?
Well, we've been on the road since August, middle of August, and we don't go home until March, the end of March.
Wow.
So we've been basically 9 months a year on the road every year since 2009.
And do you spend all the time in the teardrop?
That's our home.
That's our home.
Really?
Yeah. We live in it.
Fantastic.
We've got everything in there we need.
So you've got to be organised.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
And
it does have a place for everything. You can't get cluttered.
No, you can't.
Monday, a
We
willy
got
coming through.
hit by a willy
Tore them all off.
and
Yep.
just
Bus was, so
Yes.
we had to put new
absolutely
ones on.
mangled everything.
So look, this is your kitchen.
Yes.
You're so organised.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Honestly,
So it's
Everything's
Yeah.
all
pots
set.
and pans. So when you say organised, yes, and it's
no,
sort of
you are organised.
Yeah.
Like,
it's
Food,
purpose built.
stoves.
Here's the stove.
yes, brilliant.
These are
Yep.
our,
How much?
that's my cutlery and
How's the rod tow the teardrop?
No problem. Yeah,
No
don't
problem.
matter, just, yeah.
And there's no
Don't even know it's there.
There's no wind-up windows in the rod, so you,
No, we got curtains we put in if it's raining, but
yes,
yeah, half time we don't do that even.
yeah,
And when you're driving, you don't get any rain out.
okay,
So
yes,
we've
when
got
you stop,
deflectors.
yes,
And when we first started, we didn't have
We never
windows
roof or
at all,
anything.
so we have been snowed on, sleeted on, hailed on, blown out of the car.
Well, thanks very much, Jean and John.
no worries.
Very, very, very good.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. Thanks, Jean. Here we have a car thief breaking into a Ford Capri. Don't move. It's like taking an X-ray. And hold. Alright, hang on. That should be long enough.
You guys are trying to come here already.
fun. And then when you go there, you can't stay for 1 minute, so you have to stay longer. Yeah, I only stay fucking 5-10 minutes. Oh, really? Yeah. We would stay also.
Alright, good afternoon everyone. Okay, the rare spares Real Street Restoration. Registration is KHT 755. It's a Holden HT Brougham, which is sitting over there. It's gold. Congratulations. Okay, the next rare spares award is Real Street. Registration is 05145M. It's a Ford XB hardtop. Classic looking car. It's black. It's exceptional. Congratulations.
Guys, hang on. Whoops.
There it is.
Congratulations.
Okay, the next trophy is Macedon Ranges District Motor Club presents this one. It's a motorcycle. Members selection. It's 04ZH4. It's an Ariel 1949 Red Hunter. Come on up. Okay, the next trophy is to the best club display, and it's a Toyota car club. So can we have a representative up here, please?
Guys, I'm here.
Okay, the next one's Bowden's Own selection. Winner of the Bowden's Own trophy, we'll call it. Registration is 2128H7. It's a Commodore VH two-tone, blue over silver. Okay, the next one is Shannon selection. Registration is 8-823 1929 Singer.
I just want the Shannon sign. Look here, guys. Guys.
Special thanks to these two gentlemen up here. Alan Martin is the Hanging Rock coordinator, Alan's the president of the club, and there's a lot of work going on behind the scenes that these two gentlemen have delegated out and monitored the whole structure. We thank them sincerely. For you folk going home, please drive carefully, drive safe. We'll see you here next year, and hopefully we'll have a day as good as this. But take care folks, drive safely. Bye.
Alan Martin, Hanging Rock Coordinator. We're just about done and dusted. How do you think the day went today?
Brilliantly well, actually, Graham. Sold more tickets than we did last year. We had over 900 display vehicles, almost 2,000 tickets in general. The weather was perfect. Our vendors sold plenty of stock. Our sponsors are very happy, and our members have done a fantastic job again, so I couldn't be happier. It's been a fantastic day.
Excellent. Now, a great variety of vehicles out there today.
Yeah, as usual, I walked out there and I saw DeLoreans, I saw Cadillacs, Lincolns, Mustangs, you name it, we've got it. And then I even saw some cars I've never seen before. So that's the beauty of our event.
Very good. Now, sponsors, we couldn't do without them. Want to just run through the major sponsors for us?
Major sponsors are obviously Shannon's. They've been with us a long, long time. Bowden's have been with us quite some time. I personally use Bowden's products, love them. A new one on board at the moment is Burns & Co, who are a classic car auction house. Fantastic to have them on board. Bring Bank Auto Electrics and Brian J Motors, etc. A1 autos, so no, we can't run the show without those guys.
Excellent. Now, if anybody's watching this on YouTube and they haven't been to Hanging Rock, what do you got to say to them?
If you haven't been to Hanging Rock, I don't know what you've been doing for the last 38 years on the second Sunday in February, but no, you got to get here. Get online, buy your ticket next year. Tickets will be for sale in December, about a month out from the event. I'll book the weather as early as possible and see how we go, but no, you've got to get here. It's a unique event in a unique site.
All right, Alan Martin, thank you very much.
Can I have your attention, please, ladies and gentlemen? Can the owner of the white Volvo station wagon please return to your car? You've left your hat on the front seat. And that's the sort of message we get here at the Rock. Lost kitties, people who've left their hat in cars, phones we find. What else have we had today? We've had a couple of people who lost their partners, but they weren't complaining. They were just making sure we didn't make an announcement to find them. And that's the 38th picnic at Hanging Rock. 38. It's just going from strength to strength. Had a few issues last year with people coming in, with cars overheating, but that's all been resolved. And it has been a top day. Look forward to seeing you in the 30 minutes. Thank you.
We'll do a photo, here you go. Dodgy brothers.
You are correct.